Hello and welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to go into the world of trains. Are you excited?
Yes, Mom.
Amazing! So let us see different types of trains. The first one, this is a bullet train.
This is a bullet train.
This is express train.
This is express train.
This is mountain train.
This is mountain train.
This is cargo train.
This is cargo train.
This is tanker train.
This is tanker train.
This is local train.
This is local train.
This is tube.
This is tube.
This is metro.
This is metro.
This is light rail.
This is light rail.
This is tram.
This is tram.
Amazing! We have learned so many new types of trains today. Wasn't it fun? Which one is your favorite?
My favorite is metro.
Amazing! Thanks for learning with us, friends, today. See you tomorrow for more fun learning.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Bye bye friends.
Bye bye.